27 right for 2120.
We call this element takeoff or section takeoff. I'm looking forward to it. Alright, everything's set. Run them up. Three red, gears up and locked.
Support navigation on my 27 left, clear, touch and go.
27 left, clear to touch and go, 734 November, Kilo. I am supposed to be flying, I was a little tight there, it's supposed to be the inboard aileron split to the rearmost towel latch, and then I got to back up a little bit. The leading edge of the horizontal should be lined up with a 12281 right in the middle there, so I'll loosen it up a little bit.
Closer than I thought, honestly. Very tight.
10281 flight, frequency change approved.
Okay, we'll switch over and we'll see you in half an hour.
Roger.
Yeah, that's about it right there. It'll look a little bit different from where you're sitting. Move on for a quick ops check, I'll be right back. All green, everything's good. your call, so we're going to skip the circle till on the way back.
So that's what I was going to keep you in sight until we finish the circle, which will be right up here.
Oh, I got it. Yep. Well, we're right on time. I told them 5:57. I got smoke. Dane, if you smell smoke, it's because I got to turn down, okay? Gotcha. I should have briefed you on that.
How's that speed?
That's perfect. It's funny, when I'm close you're garbled, but when I'm out here you're clear. If I fly too close, the radio's like getting...
Yeah, you can stay out there until we get to the South Bay if you want.
I think I'll do that.
I'm going to go over to the softball field up here. It's 12 o'clock. Blake's playing softball there. We don't start till 6:30, but he might be in the parking lot. Probably sleeping.
It's always nice flying in the evening because it's just so calm out. Yeah, it's great. Great evening.
And stand by right. Coming right. And I'm going to call up Island Tower and let them know we're en route. I'll climb up a little bit.
5, Island Tower. Inside 05, pad 3, line up and wait.
Island Tower, Mentor 12281, flight of 2, salute flight over Chula Vista, over.
Island Tower, good afternoon. When I assume you're in conjunction with that paradrop aircraft? Mentor 281, roger, ident please. Mentor 281, roger, no, I didn't observe squawk 0161, please. Metro 281, what's your time on target over the Midway? Standing at the paradrop is like 1812. You go to the Midway and then turn around and come back to 18.
Alright, Todd, we'll depart this area in about 2 mics, so stand by for left turn.
Metro 281, SoCal gave me a code for you, 0255. That's 05, yep, make the channel departure at 3124087 for takeoff.
Slowing down.
Start 6021, are you still up to the North Island Tower? Coast Guard 602 from the tower, we did airdrop activity, getting ready to go off on the Midway. I know you guys are a good bit southeast of that, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that there will be parachutists over the Midway in just a moment. Okay, sounds good. And you 612, sir. And you 612, proceed input on the surface in the tariff condition pad 10, the wind 2407 for the line. Island Tower, Troy 134. Troy 134, Island Tower.
Tower 134 is at pad 7 with Lima for a shoreline departure to the south.
Tower 134, intercept runway 11 to the shoreline, wind 2305, takeoff, traffic inbound on the surface in 860, they're about 2 southeast.
And just to confirm, you want me to head outbound on 101?
Affirmative, I want you to take the runway out towards the beach.
Alright, taking the runway out to the beach for shoreline departure to the south, Tower 134.
Indian 612, traffic will be crossing your left to right via runway 11 and A-star. Bravo. Into and out of through either way. Indian 612 A-star traffic, over the numbers 29 now, no factor.
Stand by for a right turn. On downstream. This one, right. Stand by reverser.
Tower 134 is clear to the south.
Yeah, 134, big change previously.
134 is clear, thanks for help. Short and sweet.
I like it. You want the lead, and you can push it up, get us back to your speed, whatever you want to do.
I'm good. Just take me out before Sweetwater. I'll take us home.
Oh, okay.
Everything's in the green.
You want me to?
Yeah, this is good speed right here.
on Alpha, Lima 1 at Hotel, quick takeoff for at 10, good one.
Delta confirmation, Foxtrot, time 00470, wind 230 at 6.
And information still Foxtrot.
Runway 27 left, clear, touch and go. 27 left.
I have to be happy with that, don't you think? I can take it from here if you want to swap leads. Okie dokie, I'll flat out, you got the lead. I've got the lead.
I don't know if they're going to give us a left or a right break, so I'll be listening.
Yeah, I'll call early and find out what they got in mind.
Okay.
But I'll leave you squawking, okay?
No problem.
Tower 35, 676 Victor is on power nav 17.
Tricky 5676 Victor, go left speed tower, report copy, expect to circle, runway 27 right.
Report copy and expect to circle for 5676 Victor.
Archer 76 Victor, just verify runway 27 right.
Oh yeah, that's 27 right for 76 Victor.
Change to runway 17, report Chauncey.
Report Chauncey and straight in for 17 for 5676 Victor.
Since that full number kilo, I will call your crossing.
You'll call my cross 1734 November kilo. Good evening, Gillespie Towers. Salute Flight of 2 coming back from South Bay. Information Foxtrot for the overhead 1,500 just passing Sweetwater headed for Cottonwood.
Flight
flight 2, go speed tower. Sorry, Mr. Verify information, Foxtrot, report a 4 mile initial, runway 27 right, pounded altitude 1,600, right turns.
Right turns, 4 mile initial, we have information at Foxtrot, Blue flight of 2, 27 right, right turns.
Blue flight 2, make that a 3 mile initial.
3 mile initial, right turns, 27 right, Blue flight of 2.
Victor, level southeast. T-76 Victor, wind 2105, runway 17, clear to land. 17 clear to land, 5676 Victor.
I didn't catch the break. Was it left or right?
Tower, can we turn cross left one of the kilo?
He's saying to the right, 3-second break.
Okay.
That's 1 of the kilo.
Traffic landing runway 17 Cherokee.
Look up the traffic. We got him inside front of the kilo.
Archer 766 Victor, traffic, head to your right in downwind 427 left south at 1,500. Yeah, we got him inside 766 Victor.
Blue flight's just coming up on 3 mile.
Salute flights, just square your base there to final. Number 2 to the intersection, traffic well mile final runway 17 Cherokee. At midfield, break right, short approach crew, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Number 2, midfield right break, short approach clear to land, 2 to right, Blue flight of 2.
Just 1 November Kilo, runway 27 left, clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, 27 left, 731 November Kilo.
Archer 766 right when able this frequency, taxi via Alpha to +1. Alpha to +1 for taxi. Taxi 766 have a good night. Good night.
3 full, 3 greens, flaps are down.
Gear down the line. Dash 2 is.
Three full, 3 greens, tops full forward.
Flight, say parking.
Lead's going to be going to Skid Row. Dash 2 is going over to Sky Harbor.
Salute-1, roger, left turn Delta 2, hold short, runway 27 left, landing traffic.
Very good. Lead's going to turn left on Delta 2 and hold short at 27 left.
And Dash 2, you can taxi via Charlie.
Yeah, Charlie, Dash 2 to Sky Harbor, thanks.
Salute Dash 1, cross runway 27 left, this frequency, taxi Skid Row via Delta Bravo, cross runway 35.
Cross to the left, Delta Bravo, crossing 35 to Skid Row. I think Kilo, Salute Flight 6.
4 November Kilo, change to runway 27 right, make a left close traffic.
Left close traffic to 27 right, 734 November Kilo. Can we make this one a full stop?
734 November Kilo, roger, you can expect that.
We'll expect full stop, 734 November Kilo.
All right, well that was good. That was